stairs to nowhere, ramps from hell, botched bridges, and other what the F engineering fails. Let's jump right in. I guess that's one way to stop people parking there, even the disabled. If you weren't handicapped before using this ramp, you will be after. When making this ramp, they ran out of concrete just 3 steps away from the end. Wow, I mean, if you want to get out of that house quickly, it's great, but that's a steep ramp. What a beautiful balcony. I'm not sure how you get onto it though. A separate handicapped bathroom. Nice wide door, low handle. I can't see anything wrong. Can you? The steps. Wow, it seems like quick exit ramps are a thing. Now that is just ridiculous. Come on. With this one, you don't see the problem until you think about actually walking up them. Yeah. Love the handrail, cause safety first, right? Once you get on, there's no going back. Is this a modern art piece about everyday struggle to climb the ladder of success only to find there's nothing at the top? Or did someone just forget to put a door in? As treehouses go, it's not great. Let's just hope this track isn't used anymore. This is what happens when they build your house 10 feet further from the road than you had originally planned. You've now ended up with a completely useless garage. This is what happens when the architect can't remember whether they wanted a house in the trees or a tree in the house. Oh dear. This is what happens when the foreman and the electrician hate each other. This is the best way to stop people stealing the benches and the handrails. If you're still watching at this point, you are now legally obliged to continue until the end. Failure to do so could have disastrous consequences and make us sad. Team Canada used the metric system. Team America used the imperial. The result, a deviation of 2.53 inch meters. The exterior stair crew took their measurements from the wall on the left. The interior door crew took theirs from the one on the right. This is what happens when the floor inside the bank is lower than street level. And this is what happens when it's higher. When the landscapers say the pathway is exactly 4 feet wide and 10 foot from the tree, and the fencing guys give 0 Fs. The youth of today will never know how hard we had it before the invention of cell phones. When the architects tell you to stop bothering them and just follow the plans. The pillars were originally going to be painted grey. It looked okay on the plans. Fatal error. Ingenious solution. Oops, someone drew a window on the plans instead of a door. When toilets are incredibly expensive, but there's a 5-for-1 on basins. This guy should have got together with the first guy. It's hard to resist a reduced by 50% deal. This basin was also reduced by 50%. Please give us a like and subscribe for more, and if you enjoy this video, comment below.